Hey guys, it's our last lecture of this quarter.
Hi guys.
So yeah, it's our last lecture of the quarter. What are your emotions right now?
I'm happy that it's the last one, but next quarter is gonna be harder. So
You heard it here first.
10 a.m. sharp.
10 a.m. sharp.
10 a.m. sharp.
Camille, what are your emotions right now? That was really good. So yeah, we'll let you know what happens. Yep.
We almost joined.
Also-
we almost became a part of the Indian squad,
Indian squad.
but then they moved down, so we're still separated from them.
Yeah.
Next quarter for sure.
Next quarter for sure. And it's our last time seeing our mans today.
Oh, our man.
Hi Teresa. What are your thoughts?
He looks like the guy from Crazy Rich Asians. He's our man. That's basically it.
Oh, he's over there.
If you see this, I'm just kidding. But yeah, so goodbye.
Bye.
Isolation and the passage from one region into the other is what we will call a hub bifurcation. You've been wonderful guys. Thank you.
May we finish?
Come here.